Here we are, Monday, August 6th, 2024. It's about, I don't know, 1 a.m. or something. Oh, there, you can see the wind. I can show stuff. Look at this. It's raining still. I think it is a hurricane, or was a hurricane. I don't know. Hurricane Debby from Tropical Storm. That's my boat out there with the digits on it, the registration. Yeah, so raging hurricane. Still got power, still got everything. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Just thought I'd give a little up. You can hear the thunder. There was lightning. Oh, I was trying to capture some lightning. There was a bunch of lightning and thunder. I don't know. Can you see? Well, you can see a little bit, but it's on and off. There it goes. There's a little more wind. On and off, on and off, on and off. Pretty cool. Very nice. First tropical storm / hurricane of the 2024 season. Again, August 5th, Monday, 2024. Looking to buy a car or a truck. I gotta get, my truck's gonna be in the shop. Catatonic reflex. Let's see if we can get a little bit of lightning flash in here. Turn the lights off. I need a phone with a camera with a low light capability. That would be nice.